One thing that I'm really proud of in my iPad classroom is the sense of the blended learning that's happening. I'm really happy with how the math is working in our classroom. It allows for that digital workflow piece, but then also just that, I'm able to provide that one-to-one instruction, but then also to get that formative data to kind of target those kiddos that need that additional support. The way that we start our math every day, the kids hop onto their iPads and work on front row math, and they have their differentiated activities based upon the areas in which they need more practice. And then from there, we work on that daily SPA review, and that is something that the kids can get from Schoology. So we have that workflow going where the kids are importing and exporting their materials. Once that is completed, they log into their Nearpod activity, and that is the math lesson for the entire class for that day. In addition to that, we have a formative quiz check at the end where there's 3 questions that the kids are asked to answer based upon the concept for that day. When the kids are finished with that, they get a reflection piece, and there's a question that asks them to kind of tell me what their takeaway is for the day. So it's their exit ticket. Students are asked to write in complete sentences and tell me things that they're going to remember to work on or focus on or use as they're working on that particular concept for the day. From there, students can, they have choice. They can choose to work independently, continuing to go back to those videos as needed. They can work with a partner, but then also during that same time frame, I'm able to pull small groups as needed, just to kind of go over the information again, provide that additional support. And then we also have our resource teacher, Mrs. Dunlap, who comes in and provide supports as needed as well. In addition, when the kids are finished with their independent work, they're able to just export it nicely, neatly back to me in Schoology, so it's got their daily SPA review and their practice page combined. I'm able to annotate on any of the work that they have, provide that instant feedback, push grades into the grade book if I feel like it's one of those concepts in which we need to take a formative assessment on that. The kids are able to watch videos of the lessons where I kind of flip that for them, so they're walking through side by side with their marker boards and their markers, working through those problems, pausing, rewinding as needed, speeding things up if needed. And so what's nice about that is it's duplicating myself, so I'm able to kind of transform what I'm doing. Instead of standing in front of the room, I'm now walking around and facilitating, answering questions as needed, but they're able to kind of be in control of their own learning. They're responsible for that.